When was the last hurricane in California? It's a question that piques the curiosity of many. Most think of the East Coast when they imagine these destructive tempests, not California. In fact, hurricanes directly hitting California are exceedingly rare due to the cold waters of the Pacific, which tend to deter such storms. However, in 1858, a rare hurricane did make landfall in San Diego, causing significant damage. Today, while remnants or tropical storms might occasionally affect the state, the 1858 San Diego hurricane remains the last true hurricane to touch California's shores. Nature's unpredictable fury is a reminder that our world is full of surprises, even in places we least expect. The last hurricane. California, 1858. So, now you know.